Welcome to Video 2, Automating Data Preparation. We'll talk about a common deep learning pipeline from getting the raw dataset preparation till training our classifier. Although the training will be done in later videos, we're going to talk about a few steps here. In this video, we'll be automating most of the exploratory steps we engaged in previously. We'll learn how to download training and test datasets, extract files from them automatically, and load the datasets. Finally, we'll get introduced to pickling and why it is helpful. We can automate the downloading of the data using the URL retrieve function. That does most of our work. The rest of the code just manages file names, directories, and handles errors. Notice also how we compare the retrieved file size against an expected size. This helps us catch download failures. Also, this URL retrieve function takes a download hook function, which updates us about how much of a file is already downloaded. This is very helpful if we want to see how much a download has progressed so far. Once we've downloaded the file and validated the size is correct, we can extract all the images from the file. Here again, most of the work is done by the open and extract all functions. The surrounding code simply manages file names, directory names, and creates order around our datasets. Finally, let's look at the load class method. We use this to load all the images in a folder. We use the ndimage.imread method in the SciPy library to read images into matrices. We also validate the shape of the image against the expected shape. Notice the heavy error checking here. We go in with the expectation there will be bad images. It would be really convenient for us to have all this pre-processed data serialized into a single data file. We call that serialized file a pickle and the process pickling. They usually have .pickle extension, and whenever we want, we could just deserialize the data from the pickle, instead of going through all the pre-processing steps shown before. Pickles are a great way to store objects in Python into a serialized format. Be careful that these pickle files can get very large in size and shouldn't be used on datasets larger than a couple of GBs. We previously manually performed many of our pipeline steps. In this video, we automated all the key initial steps: grabbing the dataset from the internet, extracting the images, and loading them into memory. We can now run this process twice, thrice, or 100 times. The process is fully automated and can be run from any computer any number of times. We'll need it to, because we typically run these scripts hundreds of times before they start working fully. In the next video, we'll learn how images are turned into matrices. This is a very useful topic, as you're going to do a lot of matrix manipulation in order to get the desired output matrix. Also, you're going to be playing with the NumPy library a lot to achieve these targets. Take care, and see you guys in the next video.